Hey guys, welcome back to another nail video. It's been a minute, I know, but if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lindsay, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So before I start this video, I want to do a mini haul. So I got this rhinestone kit, which was $9.98. It came with a wax pencil, which is very pretty. I like it. It came with a tweezers, which is very helpful, and it also came with rhinestones, with rainbow rhinestones and plain silver rhinestones. I also got this, was $4.99. It had a cuticle pusher and a nail polish scraper, which is very helpful and holographic. I love holographic. So I went to my local store and I got a tip cutter, which is very helpful because I used to use my cuticle cutter. You're under the struggle. And I also got a cuticle scissors, and I'm so excited because I've been using my cuticle cutter. Now let's get on with the video. So guys, today I'll be doing this inspired set I saw on Instagram. I fell in love with it, and I've never done just clay nails in my life. I've never put just clay nails on my fingers, so I just wanted to try something out, and I saw it on Instagram and I was like, let me try this looks interesting, let's give it a go. So if I forgot to say, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you'll be missing all the content that I'll be putting out for you guys, and you don't want to miss any content that I'm putting out for you guys. So guys, share with your friends, your family, also your co-workers, wherever you are watching, share with them. So y'all know we start off with putting out that base coat as usual and just curing, and I just flash cure that because it cures really fast nowadays. I don't know what happened. So now I'm taking my white polygel. I'm just taking a little bit, but I took too much. I still took too much, but I'm supposed to be taking a little bit and just putting lines on there all over my fingers. And after blending that out, you'll need to blend it out so it could come out like a cloudy effect. That's what you want. You'll want a cloudy effect. I know you guys liked my last video with the purple polygel set. I really got support on that video. That video was really good, and I'm proud of that video. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. So now I'm just putting clay polygel on top. It's like encapsulating, so I'm not going to make you waste your time watch me encapsulate my nails. You'll have seen me doing this a million times. I did this on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my pointer finger. Now I'm just taking clear polygel, nothing special. I'm putting that on my pinky finger. Y'all know it's like encapsulating a nail, but I'm just doing clear today, no color, because y'all know too much color I run out of ideas, so I'm just going light today. I also did this on my thumb and I cured it for 30 seconds. Tell me what you like. Tell me if you guys like watching my nails and just hearing music playing, or you like me jumping in and out of my videos. I love some feedback from you guys in the comment section. I do respond, so let me know, and also let me know what you like to see. Let me know what you want to see next. You could take it off of Instagram and I could do an expired look for my subscribers. So now I'm just shaping the nail because it kinda lost its shape a little bit. You almost be saw me trim my middle finger because it was too long. I should have seen that at the beginning, but I saw it as I did the nail and I just trimmed it a little bit.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now I'm just buffing my nails. Y'all remember in my last video the video got blurred, and now I'm showing you guys that I'm buffing my nails. I got this buffer from a local beauty supply store. I got two of them. I got a yellow and a purple one. You know I'm obsessed with purple, so I got to get the purple one. Yes. And I'm just putting some gems. I decided to put the rainbow colored gems because my nails is clear, so it needs something flashy a little bit. I didn't go too crazy with the gem with the rhinestones because I didn't know what I was doing, and this is my first time using rhinestones on my nails. So next time I'll try to be more creative with the rhinestones. Yeah, because this is the first time I was using the rhinestones, so I was not sure what I wanted to do as it. I didn't plan it out. I could have done better, but I didn't plan it out in my head, guys. I'm sorry.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you
Now
have
I'm
to
just
seem
adding
so
some top
different
coat.
from
I already added top coat to all of my nails. I just need to add to the thumb.
me. Love how it
And
hurts.
you'll know
Why do
after
I,
I
baby,
put
why do
some
I
oil
love
on
the
my
way you
hands,
always leave me?
and
Why do
I'm
I,
done.
baby, why do I love the
You'll
times
know
we
these
never love the
videos are
feeling?
getting
Why do
easier
I,
and
baby, why
easier
do
to
I love the way you always leave
edit
me?
and
Why do I,
record
baby,
and
why do
all
I
that type of
love
good
the times
stuff.
we never love the
So
feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the times we never love the feeling?
so these are the final 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 set. Yo, I love this set because it's so different from everything that I've had for doing nails for 2 years. I've been putting nails on my hands for about 2 years, and this is something different that I have done. I've never done this on myself, so yes. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.